Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I have a little Temu haul. That's right, it's Temu time. And in here I have a jewelry haul. And we're going to go in here and we're going to see what kind of beautiful jewelry I have found at Temu. Temu has great prices on jewelry. Have you been there? I'm sure most of you have. If you have not, I have a coupon that will save you 50% off your first order. And that code is INC76154. If you have not downloaded the app, you can get another 50% off. And or if you're a person that has ordered once before but has not downloaded the app and you do the app, you too can use that code to save 50% off, and you get $100 worth of coupons to go toward next purchases. So keep that in mind if you're into wanting to get some great savings. And Temu is the place to go. You can shop there for all kinds of things, and I mean all kinds of things. Jewelry, fashion, clothes, men, women, children, pet toys, kitchen decor, home decor, bedroom accessories, blankets, pillows. I've seen bedspreads, just all kinds of things for all parts of the house. You can get things for the barn, you can get tools, you can get kitchen appliances. You can just get all kinds of things at Temu. You can get dupe bags and dupe makeup and all kinds of stylish things. I mean, the list just goes on and on. And the best thing about all of that is it's free shipping. So no matter what you're ordering, whatever your budget, there is something there that can help you. And I'm telling you, the prices are better than Amazon, and a lot of them are even better than the Dollar Tree. And that's hard to believe, but it's so true. I've bought stuff for as low as 25 cents, 17 cents. Matter of fact, I have 17 cents for a piece of jewelry in here. And we're going to take a look at that real soon here. But if you are interested in Temu as far as being an affiliate, there is a link down in my description that you can click on and it'll take you right on over there. I am an affiliate. However, today this Temu haul has all been purchased by me. That's right, I like it so much I spend my own money there. So not only do I show you things from time to time that I have gotten and received from them, but today it is a purchased haul and it is in this Temu bag. So let's get started. I think I've told you everything you need to know. One other thing I will tell you is I will have links to each of these products if they're still available. Every once in a while they do sell out and they don't restock it for whatever reason. But if that happens, there's just nothing I can do about it. I can also tell you the prices I paid for some of these items may be more now. Some of them may be less. Speaking of less and more, they do have price adjustment, and they will adjust your price in the first 30 days. So if you buy something that's $10 and you find it on sale for $8, they'll send you a credit. So they got price adjusting along with their free shipping, and they have free 90-day returns. Okay, let's see what's in my Temu. I'm just going to pull things out and we'll go from there. The first thing I'm pulling out are some earrings, and I bought 1, 2, 3, 4. I bought 4 of these. I bought them in different colors. And I got a pink pair there, and I have a brown pair there, and I have a black pair there, and these are PU leather earrings that drop down and are very cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up the one that is black because I'm planning on keeping that. And I wanted to let you know that I told you there was something in here for 17 cents. Well, I got each one of these earrings for 17 cents each. It was a lightning sale. That's another thing that Temu does. They have lightning sales, and this might normally be $3 or $4 on their site, but for that particular day, it was 17 cents each. And so I just grabbed several of them in different colors, but it's a wood round piece there, and then it's got the PU leather black that's hanging down. Very stylish on the ear. I may even show you so you can see how it looks. That way, if you're interested in these, and I don't know, the last time I seen them, I think they were like 89 cents. So the price does go up and down, but this was 17 cents. I don't think I'm going to get a lower price than that. So I would have to say that is my low price match. But those are very pretty, and I like them, and they're cute, and I got all colors. And like I said, looks like I got 2 different colors of brown. They're very, almost real similar. And then I got this pink pair. so I can be all styling out in pink. But those are very cute, and 17 cents each, so that was less than $1 right there for 4 pair of earrings. They called these, by the way, the hollow out round drop earrings, just in case you want to know, and I will have the link down in my description. The next earring I'm going to show you, it's a teardrop natural shell, and that is right here in this package, and they ran $1.07. And again, I'm pretty sure all of these were lightning deals, so I don't know what the price is right now, but I paid $1.07 for these. And aren't those pretty? And I'm going to show this to you as well, just so you can get an idea what it looks like. Oh yeah, those are pretty. Yeah, I like that. That's nice. And it's made out of shell, so it's really, really pretty. Just so you could see them a little better. There's just a little bit of gold on there as far as the hardware goes, but it is definitely a shell look. You got shells on top, and it's a dangly earring and very pretty. And you do get these little stoppers in the little bag. $1.07. That's what these earrings were. My next pair of earrings are right here. And they're kind of like for Christmas. Yep, that's right. We got to start getting stuff for Christmas. And Temu has lots of things for Christmas and Halloween. If you need to shop for Halloween things, you might want to pop on there and check that out. Now, these here were also on a lightning sale, and I got them for 57 cents. So 57 cents got me these cute little tree earrings, and I got these because I have a t-shirt somewhere that has the trees on it, and it's got these kind of trees on it for the Christmas time, and those look really cute. It's on both sides, so it looks very nice. Yeah, another good buy, and I like those earrings, and they're gonna look real cute with that t-shirt. The next item I got is another pair of earrings. Oh, by the way, these were called the pine tree print with leopard on there. That's what those were called. And it has on there merry and bright. Then I got these earrings, and these earrings are called leaf design turquoise. So it's going to look like turquoise, but of course it's not real turquoise. But these are really pretty, and if you like this kind of design, then you would really like these. They do have a little bit of weight on them, so I do want to try it on and see how they feel. I guess this has just been an earring haul for the most part, but that's pretty. It would go with the top that I have on today. And I thought they were going to be heavy, but they're not too bad. But you can see that it pulls down, but it doesn't feel very heavy. So that part's good. So they're nice and dangly. So that'll be a nice little set. And that is what that looks like. And these guys were $1.79. So far these are my most expensive, and again, I'm sure I got them on a lightning deal, but they're very pretty, and they got the turquoise in the center and just look very fashionable with the feathers hanging down. My next pair of earrings are right here. These were 89 cents, and they call this a black brown drop earring. I got these because every once in a while I do have some necklaces that has natural wood, and I like to have a natural wood earring, and I like to have options, and that is this pair right here, and I really like it. It's 89 cents. It's made out of wood, and I think they're going to hang down really nice. Oh yeah, that's really nice. I like that. It's got silver hardware up at the top, and they're just very, very nice. Yeah, I like those for 89 cents. I don't know if you could beat that price. So 89 cents for them. And then my last item that I have today in this haul is a necklace earring combination. And you're going to see, got both the necklace and the earring. This is the necklace, as you can see, and these are the earrings. And these earrings are okay, and I got both of these as a set for $1.79. And I'm going to take a look at these earrings real quick. And it hangs down okay, but the reason I got these is because with my long hair, I wanted a longer drop for my earring. And even though these will suit things just fine and dandy, and they will match up with this necklace, which is very pretty. It's all wood. It's very, very nice. And you can tell it's going to look very, very nice on. But I think these earrings will look better with it. So when I seen these earrings, it was worth it to me to purchase these earrings to go with this necklace. Even though it came with a pair, I preferred the long teardrop better. So I'm going to take both of these off. And the earrings I had on came from Temu as well, but these are not in this buy. I just wanted to show it to you. These are some other kinds of earrings that you can find at Temu, and these were probably $1 or less, and they're just really, really nice. But there's the earrings on. What do you think? And then I'm going to put this necklace on so we can get an idea how it all looks together. I'm going to leave my gold on for now, but this will give you an idea. This is how it would look. So if you like the longer hanging down, if you would not like that, then in this package you're going to be getting the one drop. So if you want to have a less of a statement, then you would have just these shorter ones that has the round drop, and or you could have the long one. So it really depends on your style, which way you would want to go. And if you want to see a full look with both of them on, this is the full set that comes in this package, so that you can get a full look of what it would look like with just these earrings on. And I think it's very cute. Either way would go well. I like it. So that is my Temu haul. What do you think? In this Temu haul, we got this necklace and earrings, and both. It's a 3-piece earring set, and it was $1.79 for the set that I have on. We got these turquoise earrings that has the feathers and drop down, and like I said, they weren't too heavy. We had the drop wooden earrings, and then we had the black pair of the drop down wood and PU leather earrings, and I got 4 pair all together. 1, 2, 3, 4 of the same thing, just different colors. And then I got the Christmas ones with the Christmas trees, the merry and bright earrings, and I don't know exactly what this is made out of, but it's on both sides, so no matter which way you're turning, you'll see it. And then I got these shell earrings that I really, really like a lot too. So another natural look to go with another one of my necklaces. And you can see the color is different on each one because it depends what was on the shell at the moment, I guess, of manufacturing and cutting that piece. But that is my Temu haul for today. Let me know what your favorite is. What's my favorite? Well, in the earrings, I'm going to have to say it's a toss-up between the shell earrings and the Merry and Bright, because I'm really looking forward to wearing that with my t-shirt. And then as far as the necklace, it's the only one that I got. So I do like the necklace set. I like the wood look, and I like to have that every once in a while. So those are my favorites. You let me know what your favorites are. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are currently going on. I do have my 2K. It ends September 25th. So be sure and hop over there and be a part of that giveaway and celebrate with me. I thank you all very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. And as for today in Temu, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.